Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If left untreated, kennel cough can lead to pneumonia or even death. And even if it's not kennel cough, symptoms like vomiting, fever, and loss of appetite are other doggy disease signifiers, so getting him to a doctor as quickly as possible can help get to the root of his sickness.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Good food choices are boiled chicken, boiled hamburger, or cooked rice. The food should not be seasoned or cooked with fat. Most dogs recover from kennel cough without treatment in approximately 2 weeks.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Yes, rescue disinfectants are effective against Bordetella. One of the pathogens that causes kennel cough is the bacterium called Bordetella bronchoseptica. With rescue concentrate, we recommend using the 1/16 dilution, 8 ounces per gallon of water, with a 5-minute contact time.
Take our lead.
Mild over-the-counter cough suppressants such as Mucinex cough medicine for children may help keep pets comfortable. Temerol P can also be used to treat itching and coughing symptoms in dogs. Keeping pets in a well-humidified area and using a harness instead of a collar may also help decrease the coughing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Is Benadryl safe for your dog? Benadryl is a relatively safe and effective medication for dogs when used according to the instructions of a veterinarian. As with any new medication, always observe your dog closely after administration to make sure your dog does not suffer any adverse reactions.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Kennel cough can usually go away on its own. Most cases will clear up within 3 weeks and shouldn't need any treatment at all. If your dog seems otherwise perky and is eating well, you should be able to use home remedies to make your dog more comfortable.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Honey can be a great home remedy for kennel cough as it can help soothe your dog's throat and minimize coughing. You can give your dog 1/2 tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of honey mixed with a little warm water in a bowl. This can be offered up to 3 times a day depending on how often your dog is coughing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
When your dog gets a foreign object of some kind stuck in his or her throat, they will naturally cough in an attempt to remove it. A foreign object lodged in your dog's esophagus can block airflow and prove life-threatening. That's why you should always check your dog's mouth and throat if you hear them coughing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Some animals may also experience fever, nasal discharge, lack of appetite and lethargy. Although there is the chance that a mild respiratory infection may become more serious, the majority of infections are typically self-limiting and characterized by a mild cough that lasts 1 to 2 weeks.
Take our lead.
The most obvious symptom of kennel cough is a forceful, hacking cough, which will often sound like your dog has something stuck in their throat. The cough can be dry and hoarse or productive, in which case it can be followed by a gag, swallowing motion, or the production of mucus.
Take our lead.
Swabs can be taken to determine the exact virus or bacteria causing kennel cough, although this isn't always useful for treatment. If there are suspected complications, radiographs can be used to assess a dog's condition. If your dog is bright, perky, eating well and playful, you may not need to visit the vet.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Give your dog honey. Honey is beneficial for dogs with kennel cough because it contains many antioxidants, enzymes and flavonoids. If you give your dog Manuka honey, it may relieve his symptoms and make him feel better.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.